Hello, we're at the class project in New Lambton, and we've come up here to meet the builder, which we've just met the builder just to go through. He's starting on Monday, just to go through what he's going to be doing, and also to see what demolition has uncovered. And the floor joists in the bathroom are rotted out, so he's going to replace those. But otherwise, it's all pretty good. And of course, we also had this delivery, Stephen, of the steel beams.
Yes.
So where are they going?
So the steel beams, they arrived this morning, and they're fairly substantial members actually. And one of them is going in the rear wall, which is to support the roof for where the 4 metre wide aluminium doors are going. The multi-fold doors, which will open out onto the new deck. And then the second one is an internal beam, which takes out the kitchen wall, going right through to the laundry in the main living area. So it'll completely open up the house completely. And what they also have to do, there's a couple of struts which are coming down from the roof, the supports for the roof structure, and they're going to put in some timber beams in there. And they use a member. It's called an LVL, which is a laminated veneer lumber, as it's called. And basically, it's larger than any beam you could get if you were to buy a piece of timber, because that's why they laminate them up, because it allows you to get larger sections and stronger timbers than what you could actually get if you had a natural timber, and it just wouldn't be available in those sorts of dimensions. So you can get beams up to 300 and 400 millimeters deep, which you wouldn't be able to get in a normal timber. So that's what they're using, and that will all be fixed back into those steel beams as well. And the idea is that there will be no bulkheads anywhere. In other words, there'll be no step in the ceiling around the beams. So the beams will be completely concealed up in the ceiling space. So you'll have a completely flush ceiling right through the whole area. So when it opens up, it's opening up the lounge, the kitchen, the dining area will all be one nice, clean, flat ceiling all the way through. And then just reinstate cornices and things like that. So that's what they've been doing. So yes, all starts on Monday. So it's going to be good to see it.
The work that's happening in the kitchen, dining, living is the cosmetic plus, or it's the plus element of the cosmetic plus. So we're creating a more livable space by opening those 3 rooms up. And so normally when you obviously need to put a beam in to hold up the roof, and particularly as this roof is tiled, you need a really solid beam to do that. But often you'll see that the ceiling is broken by a bulkhead, whereas we're not going to do that. We've ripped all the ceilings down, and we're going to be pushing the beam up into the ceiling space, so we'll have a clean line of sight. And so, that's where we're putting all our effort in to finesse the project. Yeah, it's really great to be here. Since, being in lockdown for so long, I feel like I've been let out of my cage. But it's also great to be here because it's really hard to think about how things are going to work when you're not on site. And in fact, I am about to order the stacker doors for the back of the house. And had I gone the way I thought I was going to go, it wouldn't have worked because of the positioning of the garage, which is not shown accurately on the site plan. So I'm glad I've come because I've nutted that out. And it's just good because this is the bit we love, the actual renovation. So it's really good to get the opportunity to come and, touch and feel and imagine how beautiful it's going to look.